Hey everyone, today's project is super quick and easy, but it has a beautiful finish, so let's get started. For step one, I go ahead and grab a sign from my stash from the dollar store, and then I go ahead and trace that on my paper, and then I go ahead and cut that down to size. Next, I'm going to turn my sign over because it does have glitter on it, and I should really sand the glitter off, but this isn't going to anybody, so I just kind of deal with it. But I do make sure to vacuum the side that I'm gluing down off with my little table vacuum, and then go ahead and Modge Podge, add some Modge Podge to the sign, and then put my paper over it. For step two, I'm just taking some rope from the dollar store and I'm gluing that around the perimeter of my sign. For step three, I grabbed some transfer letters that I have in my stash from Dollar Tree, and I spelled out the words "let's get," and then I grabbed a larger set of sticker letters from, I believe, the dollar store, and spelled out "cozy." So the whole sign says "let's get cozy." For step 4, I'm just going to be burning my rope as always to give my project a cleaner finish. For step 5, which is my last step, I just drilled holes into the top 2 corners and added some rope in for my handle. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope it leaves you inspired to create some home decor of your own. Be sure to give this project a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I am going to be creating a couple more fall projects, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you are notified when I upload a new project. Bye everyone.